space is quite active in the trading session. You have New India Assurance, which is higher, GIC, Star Health, all of these counters are up anywhere between 5 to 10%, and those graphics should come up for you on the screen. The PSU names are also soaring in the trading session. Mazgaon Dog, Garden Reach, Hoodco, they're all excited in the trading session. So all of these public sector entities gaining anywhere between 3 to 10%. And then you have names like Rainbow Hospitals, which is at all-time high. Sonata Software after the earnings is sitting at all-time high. AU Small Finance Bank, which has been the top contributor per se when it comes to the bank nifty's travel from the last time all-time high to now, that stock too is sitting at all-time high levels. So lots to discuss with Sudeep Shah. He's the Deputy Vice President from SBI Securities, joining us, talking to us about the technicals of the market. Sudeep, we are talking about how it's a matter of when rather than if for the markets to hit all-time high level. What's your own expectation of the timeline of that happening?
Good afternoon, Anisha, and good afternoon, Ajay. See, what I'm feeling is that it's just because of this HDFC Twins getting ex-dividend, we are seeing this some sideways consolidation into the markets, and this is quite healthy after a bigger up move. Almost Bank Nifty hitting its all-time high, it just missed by 10 paise. So, and Nifty also around 18,400. So it's a big rally now. After that, if a couple of days, if markets goes into a consolidation of 50-100 points on Nifty and a couple of 100 points Bank Nifty, it's absolutely fair. And for me, on Bank Nifty, 43,800 for the morning lows will act as a very important support. Now, till the time we are above that, I feel we will not only cross the previous 10 paise high of 44,150 odd, but we will even make a higher move up to 44,350, 44,400 on the upside in the next couple of days. And generally on Tuesdays, we have seen when the Fin Nifty expiry is there, sometimes initially in the first half or till 2 o'clock, the Bank Nifty and the financial stocks are in some kind of sideways momentum or they consolidate, but in the last hour, they see a rally. So I'm expecting the same to happen today. 43,800 is my support on the downside from a Bank Nifty perspective.
Sudeep, what are your trading ideas at this hour?
My trading idea, the first idea is IndusInd Bank. Now, since I feel that the Bank Nifty is about to make an all-time high, and HDFC Bank might be consolidating today despite it getting ex-dividend. So, few other banking names like ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, and Axis Bank can take lead. And IndusInd Bank, if we discuss about that, it has given a symmetrical triangle breakout few sessions back, and since then it has shown a higher top, higher bottom formation. And the way the charts are shaping up, I feel that the stock is due for a bit more from here on till 1250, 1260 levels. And the stop loss for the same would be 1200 on the downside. So with a limited risk, I feel we can take this idea. And the second stock would be Lemon Tree. Now, since today morning, we have seen a buzz in hotel stocks. So just trying to keep a mix of large cap and mid cap. So Lemon Tree, what I feel is that after a bigger consolidation in the last 7-8 sessions between 87 and 91, the stock has given a breakout with volumes on the upside, and it's sustaining its all major moving averages. So from the current levels, it can be bought with a stop loss of 89 for a target of 98 and 100 on the upside.
This entire microfinance stocks have been buzzing in this earnings season. Today as well, we are looking at Spandana and Fusion. Fusion is though a relative less data would be available for you, but it's a recent IPO 6 months back. But if you were to compare which has better momentum even from current levels, Fusion or Spandana Spurti?
Ajay, I would go with Spandana Spurti because it's the stock in the last 6-8 months has virtually consolidated between 500 on the upside and 500 on the downside and 620 on the upside. And post that, it has given a breakout, and now it will show us a follow-up momentum on the upside. So in the past few days, we have seen all the NBFCs and all these names buzzing, and there could be a continuation of the momentum in these counters. So this can be bought with a stop loss of 630, 625 on the downside, and a potential target, short-term targets on the upside could be 690, 700 in the next few sessions to come.
And just before we let you go, Sudeep, your word on PVR Inox, that stock is sitting at 52-week lows. Would you use the dip as a buying opportunity, or do you see further downside?
Anisha, I would not try to dwell into this stock or try to bottom fish here, because the stock has continuously shown a lower top, lower bottom formation, and it has underperformed the broader indices, the mid-cap index, the Nifty as a whole. So where there is underperformance, I feel we should let that stock go and not try to bottom fish there, because if we see the charts, the stock has broken its important supports around 1450, around 1480, 1490, and till the time this zone of 1490 does not cross again, I feel the stock can continue its slide up to 1360, 1350 in the next few weeks to come. So there could still be some downside waiting for this stock. So there would be a lot of other opportunities that we are having in the markets, and I feel we should go with the outperformers rather than trying to bottom fish and trying to time the stock at absolutely at the lowest point.
Okay. And the small cap, mid cap side of the market, Sudeep, I want to get your thoughts there, because mid cap index is nearing its record high, while Bank Nifty is the second one. But mid caps have come back in style. Any very good trading ideas on small cap, mid cap, which you would want to share with our viewers?
Yeah, from the mid-cap space, see, what's happening is that the mid-cap index in the last 8 to 9 months has traded between this band of 29,000 and 32,000, and post this breakout above that zone on the upper edge of the consolidation range of 32,000, 32,300, we have seen a momentum picking up in the mid-caps. And I feel that this rally could potentially move up to 33,800, 200, and make a new all-time high in mid-cap index. The stop loss, the support for the same would be 32,300. I feel in the last few days, defense stocks, the Mazgaon stocks of the world, GRSs, they have shown some very good momentum on the upside. So from that space, if I have to pick up anything, I feel I would go with Mazgaon Dock. The stock in the last 1 year, say in the FY 22-23, the stock had moved from 350 to 900 odd, and then retraced up to 600. Now once again, we are seeing some action picking up in this stock. The stock has taken out last 15 days consolidation with a 7-8% move today, and I feel this is the beginning of yet another continuation rally. So from here or on dips to 805, 810, this could be bought with 785 stop loss, and this stock can move up to 890 to 920 in the next few sessions.
Okay, thanks Sudeep for joining us. Mazgaon Dock likely to head towards that 920 mark, so quite a bit of upside on that name as well.